Well, I've reached another level with my pontoon boat, and I still have a few things that I want to do to it, but this is how it looks right now. Looks pretty sharp. I've been messing around with this thing for probably about 6 weeks or more, but I really like it. I love the design, and this design has kind of inspired me to try another design similar to this, but it'll be a little different on the front. But yeah, this is it. This is what I'm going to be using for prospecting. I guess it'll be next season now. I'm working out of town, so I won't have time to use it. But there you have it. It's 12.5 feet long, and the deck is about almost 60 inches, I guess. Yeah, so I got a tarp draped over the top. I can put a motor on it. I'm going to be running a 5 horsepower on it. And there is a third pontoon. But it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, actually. Yeah. Just walking around it, giving everybody a good shot. Yeah, so I like it. A lot of work. Yeah. So I'm still not quite sure how much weight it's going to be able to carry. But I've had it out a couple of times, and it's seemed pretty good. No problem holding, 4 people. So for the most part, it'll be one person on it, or perhaps 2, and some prospecting equipment. And with the third pontoon, it should be good. Definitely looks sharp. 16 gauge aluminum. Well, thanks for tuning in, and perhaps the next video that I take, I'll show the wheels that I have that go on it. Make it a little easier for moving around. Thanks for now. So long.